Hello everyone, I am Sonali. This is your third part of the chapter 3 arrays. In this chapter, we will learn the arrays, different operations, different functions for the arrays. Now we will see converting between the arrays and variables. Okay, conversion of arrays into variable and variables into array. For this, we are using the two functions extract and compact. Okay, extract name means extract from the array. Okay, and compact means compact it. Okay, bind it. Okay, see, creating variable from an array, we are using the extract function. It automatically creates local variables from an array. The indexes of the array element are the variable names. See, here is an example array. See, this is $person is the name of the array. Here is the array construct. By using this construct, we are creating this associative array name, right, age 35, wife, weight. Okay, these are the key name, age, wife, and these are the values grade, 35, and weight. Okay, now here we are using the function extract $person. Okay, so it will give you the variables $name, $age, and $y. Okay, these are the key elements. Okay, this extract function returns you the key elements. Next is creating an array from the variable. See, here we are extracting the values of the key, and here we are using, these are the different color, shape, floppy. These are the three variables. Now we will try to bind this variable. Okay, these are the values. Here we are using the values. Here is value, these are the values and these are the variable name. We are using this variable name here, color, shape, fluffy as a value of the compact array. Okay, this is your compact function and this all data is stored inside the $a. The compact function is a complement of extract. It is exactly opposite to the your function extract. Pass it the variable's name to compact either as a separate parameter or in an array. You can pass it. The compact function creates an associative array. See, here we are using the associative array whose keys are the variable name. These keys are the variable name. These variable names, here we are using color, shapes and fluffy, and whose values are the variable values, and value of this variable is indigo, then curvy, then null. Any names in the array that do not corresponding to the actual variables are skipped. Here is an example for this compact function. Next is traversing array. Traversing means what? Traversing means the visiting the each element of the array. Okay. In C programming, we are printing the array elements by using the for loop. Here we are using the one new concept for each loop, because here we are using the index array also and the associative array also. So we are using the function, the loop for each. Visit each and every element of array using looping structure and iterator function means the traversing array. Here we are using the iterator function for each. We are using looping structure and iterator function here. The for each construct, we are using the for each construct. See here, for each $a and $value. Here we are printing the values only. So values inside this array is this first one Sujata, then Sonali, then Priya. These are the three values. PHP executes the body of the loop. And this PHP executes the body of the loop once for each element of addresses. Okay, it will execute $a and $value. It will execute first for this, then second, then third. In this way, till the end of array, you can print the values of this array. Elements are processed by their internal order. Here is the example, $person, array, name, this is name, age, and then value. For each, $person as $k. Okay, here we are printing this $person as $k, give the value. Okay, so when we are printing echo Ria's $k, okay, Ria's $k means what? Is your key. Okay, and $v means what? Your value. In person array, here is your key and here is your value. So here we are accessing this $k. Riya's dollar K. What is Riya's dollar K? Riya's key is name. So Riya's name is dollar V. Okay. So Riya's name is Riya. Or you can write here the person name is Riya. Then second, Riya's age is 35. Here you can write the Riya's. See, here is now Riya's age. Okay, the value of the key age, and then value of this key is 35. So 35. So Riya's age is 35. Next is Riya's wife is Vilma. See, Riya's here is name Riya's dollar K is your key wife is Vilma. The iterator function. Every PHP array keeps track of the current element you are working with. The pointer to the current element is known as the iterator. See, the pointer is known as the iterator. We are using this iterator to set, to move to the current location, next location, okay, or previous location. We are using the iterator functions for this. There are the number of iterator functions like current. Okay, this will returns you the element currently pointed at by the iterator. Okay, it will returns you the current value of this point. Then the reset. Reset means for reset we are using move the iterator to the first element in the array and returns it. We are using the next element of the iterator. Move the iterator to the next element in the array and returns it. Previous. It moves the iterator to the previous element. See, next for the next element. And here we are using the previous for the previous element in the array and returns it. Then each function returns the key and value of the current element as an array and moves the iterator to the next element in the array. See, here we are returning the key and value of the current element and moving the pointer to the next. Then end function moves the iterator to the last element in the array and returns the key. This is end. Okay. See, functions are current for the current value, reset to move to the starting of the first element of this array, and see here is the end for the move the iterator to the last element. This end for the last element and the reset for the first element. Then next, then previous and each. These are the iterator functions. Let's see one example of iterator. Is dollar student equals to array. Here is the different names. Shriya, Shrenu, Riya, Anu, Pinu. Okay, these are the names. And then dollar mode. Here we are storing the value. Dollar mode equals to current dollar student. When we are printing this dollar mode, suppose here is a statement echo dollar mode, then here will output will be Shriya because our current pointer is pointing to this first element. Then dollar mode equals to next of dollar student. So next of this is what? Next of this is Shrenu. So here output is Shrenu. Then see here our pointer is at the second location, this location. Now dollar mode equals to current dollar student. So this is element. Okay. Now our pointer is here. So our output will be this. Then dollar mode equals to previous of dollar student. What is the previous of this Shrenu? Previous of this Shrenu is previous is Shriya. So this statement will return you Shriya. Then end of dollar student means end element. End function is for what? See, end will move the iterator to the last element in the array. So this last element is pin. So our output is pin. Then dollar mode equals to current. Current now see our iterator pointer is at the end of the array. So our current will return you a same value like this. Okay, this pin. In this way, we can use this iterator function for reset the pointer to return the current pointer location, and next, and previous, and on. Next is calling the function for each array element. See, here we are using the one function array work. It will return you a boolean value either true or either false. It is a user-defined function to each element of an array. Here is array, dollar address of dollar array. This is your input array. Then callable function name. Here we are using the one user-defined function, and for this function we are using the two arguments. First is the value and second is the key. We are using two arguments for this user-defined function. We are using this user-defined function here, callable function name. By using the array work function, we can we calling a function for each array element. Reducing an array. How to reduce an array into the single value? Suppose in your array number of elements and how to return in a single value. Okay, say mixed means any data type. Array reduce is your function name. Array, here is your input array. Callable dollar callback, here is your function dollar callback. Then mixed initial value equals to none. See here we are using the user defined function add up. Okay, dollar total running total dollar current value. See, these are the two parameters to this callable function. This is our user defined function. Dollar running total equals to dollar running. This plus equals to means what? Dollar running total equals to dollar running total plus current value into current value. Okay, means here the square of current value and the addition of this. Means suppose the 2, 3, 5, 7. Then at that time what current value is what? 2. So 2 plus this the multiplication of this is initially this will consider as a 0. Then square of this is 4. So again they add the 4. First initially 0 plus 4. Then next time 4 square is what? 4 into 4. Okay. Initially, running total equals to running total. First, initially it is 0. 0 plus current value into current value means 2 into 2, 4. Okay, so it will store the 4 for the next step. Then again we are adding this next element, this 3, and then this 5, then 7. Okay, in this way we are using this all values. We are adding this value after squaring the number. Okay, and then return the total. See, this is return total is here, return total. Here we are calling this function add up here. We are calling this function as an argument. Okay, this is our argument. See the syntax. This is a callable function name. Okay, and here is the user defined function and in this values and keys. So we are using this function here. Add up function is here. This function. Okay, so call this function. Then at that time we are passing the arrays. This running total and current value as an argument, and then it will returns the numbers and number is here and it will show you the total. So array reduce function we are using the here array reduce function to reduce this number of values into one. Here we are adding this value. Next is searching for values. How to search in an array? Is this element is exist in array or not? Okay, this is actually the case sensitive function. In array, this function is in array. We are using this function to searching the value exists in an array or not. It will return either true or false. The data type is boolean. In array mixed $to find what you want to find inside the array. Then array $input. This is your input array. Then boolean $strict equals to false. We are using this parameter $strict equals to false as a third parameter. It will return the either true or false. Here is the array. Here the value Sujata, Sonali, Priyam. If in array, if this value is present inside this array, the array name is $name. So Sujata is present inside this or not? If yes, see this is a case sensitive. So find out this exists into this. If yes, it will return the true, and at that time the name found Sujata. Okay, your message will be name found Sujata. Otherwise, see if in array, see here we are searching this name, but see in our original array this first letter is capital. Here is a small. So Sonali is not matching to this name. So it will return name not found Sonali. Okay. Here we are searching this element. This value is present inside this array or not by using the function in array. Thank you.